Hi, I'm Mark Adams and welcome. One of the things about our program that I want to share with you is a little bit about our master's program. Here at our school you can get a certificate in woodworking. In order to do that, there's a variety of classes you have to take, and the great thing about that variety of classes is that it gives you an outreach to so many interesting and world-class instructors. The classes that are required are you have to take a joinery class, a veneering, turning, finishing, chair making, carving. You have to do a 2-week apprenticeship class, and then there's a hand skills workshop. The total comes out to 11 weeks. No timetable. If it takes you 2 years to do it, great. If it takes you 20 years to do it, it's great too. But it is our certificate program here, which I believe is probably the best certificate program in all of North America, if maybe not in the entire world. So that's how you can enroll or start our master's program, and it's open for anybody. You can find out more at our webpage at marcadams.com. And with that, thanks for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you.